Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to do a video on hibiscus tea, and this is just the hibiscus flower which looks like a rose called Chinese rose, and it's really a beautiful flower. It's been used in India for thousands of years for prayer ceremony for Lord Kali, but people also drink tea of dried hibiscus leaves, and these are very healthy, and it's like Ayurvedic medicine actually. So I'm going to list some of the benefits. We don't know even so many benefits for so many things, but whatever is found so far, I'm just going to list about 14 of them. So number one, hibiscus tea is really amazing. It's great for our digestion. It increases the digestive fire. Digestive fire is the hydrochloric acid in the stomach which helps digest our food. So that way it's really good for digesting our food, and it increases the good bacteria in the stomach, which helps with breaking down the food and gets rid of the bad ones. And it is great for proper kidney function, and it keeps our liver also functioning properly. And then it's really great for during the time of the period, so during this difficult 3 days of the month where we all get serious cramps and discomfort and all that pain. So it's really great to reduce the pain and feel much more relaxed. Simply because it balances our hormones, and since it balances our hormone, it increases fertility. So it's actually a fertility boosting tea. It lowers blood pressure, it reduces blood sugar, and it reduces total cholesterol. The bad cholesterol increases the good one. It reduces triglyceride, and it is great for weight management, reduces weight. It breaks down the food, as I told you, is good for digestive system, so it breaks down the fat, and so it reduces weight, and it gives a boost to our immune system. Also, it promotes a good night's sleep, and it enhances our mood, since everything in the body works great. So obviously the mood also feels really good. So these are few things I listed. There are plenty more. So hibiscus flowers, amazing. Now they sell dried up hibiscus leaf powder, but I don't know if that is such potent. I think growing hibiscus tree in your home, if you have a little space or in a pot, and then you get the flowers, and that's really good, but it only grows in warm time, summertime. Winter it don't grow. So our only option is the dry powder during winter month, but still something is better than nothing. So hibiscus tea is really good, and it's just not so expensive, and it's a simple thing. Just put a few dry leaves in boiling water, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then just strain it and drink throughout the day. And you can add a little bit of lemon juice, you can add some pure honey to it if you feel like it, otherwise just drink it like that. So this is a little video about hibiscus tea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye.